family, and I'm making it a little bit special since it is for my mom and dad. Ilocos Norte has so many different places to eat, and luckily loads of food critics too. At isa na ako dyan. That's why on today's vlog, my family and I are going to Farmhouse Kitchen. This is exactly located at 79 Santiago, Solsona, First Barangay via Deliveries, 2 houses across Santiago Elementary School. So here's a glimpse of how Farmhouse Kitchen looks like. Ito ang entrance, garden style. So plantitas out there, you will surely love the ambience. Very relaxing dahil na din sa farm view nito. The place can actually accommodate up to 30 to 50 packs. Mom and dad's gifts, and their reactions were priceless.
And this one is for you, mommy.
Shabay. Shabay. Shabay, shabay.
Additional 5,000 no siyot mo na makalukat.
Ito. Delivery mo na. Wala.
Kat manilot ta Tapos, this one, bado yun dun no, January 1. Eterno tayo ito.
Ay,
Bado, yes. Jumpsuit. Because that's the color of the year 2022 daw. Ano yung sublim dito, daddy? Dapat napindas pa ng sublim. Kat ano nga ron mo? Kat sumat ng ila anak.
Okay, time out with the drama. So if you are going to dine in, make sure to book a reservation through sending a message on their Facebook page. So ito yung binigay nilang table sa amin. This is at the corner area. And upon arrival, talagang nakaset up na siya. Table for 3. Regarding to their menu, they do serve different flavors of pasta, pizza, and chicken wings. So, let's try at least one of each. For pizza, we ordered the double cheese as a cheese lover here. Shrimp Alfredo for the pasta as I love seafood. Grabe yung pagkahilig ko sa seafood. And garlic parmesan flavored chicken wings since it was my dad's choice naman. Onto their drinks, we had lychee iced tea. I can say good food. I like the taste. Pizza was really freshly pan-baked. And everything we ordered was delicious. As you can see, I can't get enough of it. I mean, we can't get enough of it. Farmhouse Kitchen offers good and affordable food with wonderful ambience, which is also perfect for a romantic date, lalo na if you will catch the sunset. And of course, credits to the staff for being so nice and friendly, and even the owner. Diyos ko, nagkadaldala na nga sila ng nanay ko dahil sa mga halaman. For the operating hours, they are open till 8 p.m. on a daily basis, but make sure to book a reservation on their Facebook page, which I'll link it down below, and I'm glad that they have delivery service too, and even mobile catering. So for our bill, sobrang affordable lang. They also accept GCash, by the way. Thank you for the good dinner, Farmhouse Kitchen. Till the next!